Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X1 versus the Lexus UX. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which compact luxury SUV best fits your lifestyle. The X1 is known for its sporty performance and spacious interior, while the UX excels in fuel economy and refined comfort. We'll delve into their engines, features, and overall value, providing a clear picture of what each vehicle brings to the table. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the BMW X1 generally offers a more engaging drive. Its 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivers 241 horsepower, providing brisk acceleration and a sporty feel. In contrast, the Lexus UX, particularly the 250h hybrid model, focuses on efficiency with 181 total horsepower. While the UX offers a smooth and quiet ride, the X1 provides a more dynamic and powerful driving experience, appealing to those who enjoy spirited driving. Inside, both vehicles offer a premium experience, but with different priorities. The BMW X1 provides a more spacious cabin and significantly more cargo capacity, making it practical for families or those needing extra room. The Lexus UX, however, often features a more opulent interior design with higher quality materials and a focus on passenger comfort. Both come equipped with modern infotainment systems and a suite of safety technologies, ensuring a connected and secure journey. Considering value, the BMW X1 generally comes with a higher initial price tag, reflecting its performance and larger size. The Lexus UX, often more affordable, is also renowned for its exceptional reliability and potentially lower long-term ownership costs, which can be a significant factor for many buyers. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize sporty performance and space or fuel efficiency and refined luxury. Be sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.